When it comes to dropshipping, choosing the right platform can make or break your business. Today, we're comparing SaleHoo versus BigCommerce to answer the question, which platform has more tools for dropshipping? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one comes out on top, and I've got a surprise alternative you might want to consider. Let's start by breaking down what each platform offers. SaleHoo is primarily known for its massive supplier directory, offering access to over 8,000 verified suppliers. This is crucial for anyone looking to build a solid dropshipping business. With SaleHoo, you get easy access to reputable suppliers that can help you avoid scams, which is a huge problem in this space. But when it comes to actual tools for dropshipping, SaleHoo isn't quite as robust as BigCommerce. You're mostly getting a supplier directory with some added features like market research tools and training, but there isn't much for store management or growth. On the other hand, BigCommerce is a full-fledged e-commerce platform designed for growing businesses. It provides a lot of essential dropshipping tools right out of the box, including integrated shipping, easy product management, and built-in SEO tools to help your store rank better in search results. BigCommerce also integrates with popular dropshipping apps like AliExpress and SaleHoo, meaning you can still tap into SaleHoo suppliers, but use BigCommerce robust management features to run your store. Next thing we should consider is ease of use. While SaleHoo is user-friendly for beginners who just want to get access to a list of suppliers, BigCommerce is built for scalability. If you're serious about growing your dropshipping business, BigCommerce might feel more complex at first because of the number of features, but the learning curve pays off. It offers advanced tools for automating processes, managing orders, and tracking your performance. The fourth thing I want to mention is pricing. SaleHoo charges a one-time fee for lifetime access, which seems appealing if you're just starting out. However, while you're not paying ongoing fees, SaleHoo doesn't provide everything you might need to run your store, meaning you'll likely have to pay for a website builder and other apps. BigCommerce, on the other hand, has a monthly subscription model, which might feel like a higher ongoing cost, but you're getting a complete platform with built-in tools for running and scaling your business. This means fewer third-party apps to buy or subscriptions to manage. Now, let's talk about scalability. If your business grows, you'll want a platform that can scale with you. BigCommerce shines here because it has enterprise-level features like advanced reporting, abandoned cart recovery, and multi-channel selling integrations. It's built for businesses that plan to expand. SaleHoo, however, is mostly a supplier directory, so as your store grows, you'll need to rely on other platforms to provide the necessary features for scaling. Finally, customer support. Both platforms provide decent support, but BigCommerce has 24/7 customer service, which can be a lifesaver when you're running a dropshipping business. SaleHoo offers support as well, but it's more focused on helping you navigate the supplier directory. At the end of the day, SaleHoo is a fantastic tool for finding reliable suppliers, especially if you're just getting started. But BigCommerce offers a much broader set of dropshipping tools that make it a better platform for managing and scaling your business. That said, after trying both of these platforms myself, if you're looking for a better all-in-one solution with even more advanced tools, I recommend checking out the free trial of the platform linked in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. So, if you're ready to take your dropshipping business to the next level, click the link now to get started.